tips and tricks on phone. And in this video, I will show you how to remove CapCut watermark logo that you have right here without any stress. So let me quickly play the video and you can see. So you can see a CapCut logo animation from the top right here. How do you remove this without any stress from your video in CapCut? What you need to do right here. So how do you remove it from your video in CapCut? What you need to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on the logo right here. Having clicked on the logo, it's going to open up like so. You can see the watermark right here, and this is how it's going to appear on your video. For you to remove it, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on hidden right here. Once you click on hidden, you can see the watermark is no longer here. By the time we come back to editing in CapCut right here, let's play the video again so you can see it's no longer found right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing apps, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.